Marketing shouldn't feel like a guessing game. Without clear insights, you're left wondering where your money is going, whether your campaigns are effective, and if you're truly reaching the right audience. Too many businesses waste valuable time and budget on strategies that don't deliver results simply because they lack transparency from their marketing partner. At MarketinGear, we believe in full transparency, providing clear reports, real-time dashboards, and actionable insights without the industry jargon. No more confusing metrics or vague promises. We ensure you always know what's working, what needs improvement, and where your investment is making the most impact. Our clients experience higher ROI, stronger engagement, and measurable growth, all backed by real data. We don't rely on empty buzzwords or fluff, just proven strategies that drive success. With us, every decision is guided by performance metrics, and every campaign is optimized for maximum results. No unexpected charges, no misleading metrics, no surprises. Just honest, ethical marketing that delivers. We prioritize trust, clarity, and long-term success, ensuring you stay informed and confident in every marketing move you make. It's time to work with a marketing partner who puts transparency first. Ready for real clarity and real growth? Let's make it happen. Contact MarketinGear today.